Oh my God. Hey guys. I hope you were sitting down. Hope the kids were far away. Hope the wife wasn't exposed to that. Because, dear Lord, that was sexy. Oh, there's more. Okay, guys, so check it out. This is what we were working on today. Figuring out some plumbing issues with our H2O Performance Radiator Kit. Oh, gotta love all that carbon fiber. There is so much going on here. We'll come back to that in a future video. But check this out. This Accossato billet monobloc ultra lightweight caliper with vented titanium pistons and rather thin narrowband pads fitted with their Accossato Elite Line rotors and BST carbon fiber wheels. I mean, this is just about as sexy as a front end can get. Of course, that's PROTI Titanium Hardware. Now, as you can see, it's only loosely mounted at the moment. We're waiting on some special spacers to arrive. They should be here in just a few days. In the meantime, we'll have to move on to our next project bike. As always, BellissiMoto.